A Mississippi Marital Settlement Agreement legally documents the terms of a dissolution of marriage between two spouses. Its usage is widespread and oftentimes serves as a tool to expedite the divorce process, provided both spouses compromise on certain affairs. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Make sure to watch to the end of this video, where we'll give you a link to where you can make your own marital settlement agreement online, potentially saving you thousands of dollars during the divorce process. Now, let's begin by discussing what is a marital settlement agreement. A marital settlement agreement outlines all of the terms and conditions of a post-divorce arrangement between a married couple. All relevant information is contained within the contract. The more specific the document, the better, as to anticipate future issues stemming from miscommunication or unclarity. When drafting the written agreement, be sure to include detailed accounts of division of real and personal property, instructions for the distribution of debts, custody of any children, any owed alimony payments and a schedule, and a description of child support payments, if any. Each spouse and their legal counsel should strive to reach an agreement by using this document, allowing the divorce to be quicker and more affordable instead of undergoing trial proceedings and hiring a costly attorney. Now, both spouses, especially the filing spouse, should be aware of legal requirements in Mississippi. Mississippi is one of the many states governed by equitable distribution laws across America. Equitable distribution is the fair separation of assets, meaning it's not often necessarily an equal divide. A judge is given the authority to determine which spouse should receive certain property or assets. This is common when a couple is unable to reach a settlement or face a heavily contested divorce. When regulating equitable distribution, the courts take into account the duration of the marriage, each spouse's expenses, employability of each spouse, the combined assets of each individual spouse, and sources of income and total amount. That being said, a marital settlement agreement can be utilized in Mississippi to avoid such distribution by the courts if both spouses agree on most terms. In that case, they can file for an uncontested divorce and submit their written agreement to a judge for approval. Note that a judge may still intervene if he or she deems the settlement one-sided or unjust. And finally, one more factor to keep in mind pertains to residency. One spouse must have resided in Mississippi for at least 6 months or more before filing with the Chancery Court in the county of residence. If the divorce process is followed diligently, it usually takes about 2 months or around 60 days to finalize. Each spouse should ensure they do their part in order to expedite the process and further protect their assets. We're eForms, the most extensive database of legal documents. We have created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Mississippi Marital Settlement Agreement. To get this official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local circuit court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily videos.